Rapid traverse is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the rapid movement of machine tools and equipment. This service is essential in the manufacturing industry as it helps to increase the efficiency of the manufacturing process. Rapid traverse is used to move machine tools and equipment quickly from one location to another, reducing the time it takes to complete a task. This service is particularly useful in the production of large and complex parts, where precision and speed are critical. Rapid traverse is achieved through the use of advanced technology and equipment, such as CNC machines and robots. These machines are programmed to move at high speeds, allowing them to quickly move from one location to another. The use of rapid traverse in the manufacturing industry has revolutionized the way products are produced, making the process faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom packaging solutions. The company has been in operation for over 60 years and has built a reputation for providing high-quality products and services to its clients. Rapid traverse is a service that is essential to the manufacturing process at Berkness Company. The company uses advanced technology and equipment to ensure that its products are produced quickly and efficiently, without compromising on quality. If you are interested in learning more about rapid traverse and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting the Contact Us page on their website. The company has a team of experts who are always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. Whether you are looking to improve the efficiency of your manufacturing process or need custom packaging solutions, Berkness Company has the expertise and experience to help you achieve your goals. FAQs. 1. What is rapid traverse in manufacturing? Rapid traverse is a feature in manufacturing equipment that allows for quick movement of the machine's tool or workpiece from one point to another without performing any cutting or machining operations. It is used to reduce cycle times and increase productivity. 2. How is rapid traverse speed determined? The rapid traverse speed is determined by the machine's specifications and can vary depending on the type of machine and its application. The speed is typically set by the manufacturer and can be adjusted by the operator within a certain range. 3. What are the benefits of using rapid traverse in manufacturing? The benefits of using rapid traverse in manufacturing include reduced cycle times, increased productivity, and improved efficiency. It also helps to minimize wear and tear on the machine and its components, which can lead to longer machine life and reduced maintenance costs. Additionally, rapid traverse can improve the overall quality of the finished product by reducing the risk of errors and inconsistencies. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.